Just posted a reel and now you're getting many notifications, which is annoying? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to turn off Reels notification on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. Then, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on Notifications. Scroll down a little, then tap on Live and Reels. Here, for the recently uploaded Reels, tap on Off. Now you won't get any notifications about your Reels, and that is how you turn off Reels notification on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.